Hi guys, so today let's talk about DEX. So this is a global discussion, and if you want to change the subtitle, you can do it on the settings alongside the closed caption, so you can just update the language there. So for today guys, ay pag-uusapan natin itong si Sachi. And marami kasing mga nagtatanong dito on how to buy and sell. It's only an idea guys, just to answer your questions and feedback dito. So basically balance lang naman tayo dito. I just want to share some insights, educational way. And again, itong ating video today does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some insights, ideas, and this is only a demo, no? So I just want to share my experience, and as mentioned, just to acknowledge your questions dito guys, no? So andito tayo ngayon kay Sachi under DEX, as we can see. So para mapuntahan ito guys, punta lang kayo dito sa may gitna, ito. Ayan, dalawang pindot. And then, hanapin nyo lang itong DEX, no? So, once na maselect nyo itong DEX, ay mapupunta kayo dito. So, dito, kailangan mo ng Solana. Dahil under Solana itong si Sachi. So, like for example, meron tayo ditong Solana. Ayan, no? So, if ever na naka-USDT kayo, punta lang kayo dito sa gitna. Ayan. And then, you can use convert, no? Ayan. And then, okay. And then, like for example, you have USDT. Ayan. And then, you can just change dito into Sol. So, like, for example, search mo lang dito Solana. Ayan. So, select mo lang siya. And then, you can tap max. And then, preview code. And then, convert, guys. So, pagkatapos niya, magkakaroon ka na ng Solana dito. And other option pa is just to do spot, no? So, pindutin mo lang ito ng 2 beses and then lalabas na itong spot. And then you can just select here, like for example, Sol USDT if USDT yung gagamitin mo. And then you can change this into like market order, and then like for example, 50% of your available asset. So, you can do it here. Tapos, buy Sol. So, ganun lang siya mag-work. Magkakaroon ka na ng Solana. And then, pagkatapos niyan, you can just do here going the DEX, no? So, pag-usapan natin yung DEX, guys. So, yung DEX, guys, is a multi-chain. So, the DEX, guys, is a multi-chain, no? For example, this one. It's an OKX DEX na cross-chain na ito. Decentralized exchange na tinatawag. Isang aggregator na you can just check yung mga best price across different DEXs by comparing prices, splitting orders, and minimizing slippage at gas fees, no? So, it's an aggregator that routes yung mga trades papunta sa mga various liquidity pools and blockchains, connecting over 100 DEXs and 100 blockchains, and offers over 100,000 crypto assets dito guys, no? So, as I've observed din dito, yung mga early tokens na hindi pa na-list sa mga centralized exchanges ay dito na kikita guys, no? Isa sa mga risk dito is that mga potential na rug pools, dahil dito you can see yung mga low market cap, and low market cap can easily or it's a prone for the rug pull sa tinatawag. So, yun yung isa sa mga risk dito. Yeah, it's better to understand guys yung risk and reward, no? Para mas magkaroon kayo dito ng informed decisions. So, right now, napunta na tayo dito sa DEX, no? So, makikita na natin dito yung iba't ibang tokens. Karamihan, mga meme coins, no? So, like for example, select natin dito other meme coins. So, other DEX. And ito, under Solana, yan yung mga available. You can just select all. Ayan. So, yan yung top 6 dito na makikita mo sa cellphone mo. Meron din ditong base network. Ito. Ayan, yung kulay asul na yan. This is Solana. So, you can sort that one. Like, for example, on base, on X layer as well, on Solana. So, top one is Sachi. So, ang daming mga nagtatanong dito guys, how to simulate buy and sell. Like for example, this one, if meron ka ng Solana, you can just simulate dito, or you can just buy and sell ng like for example, Sachi. So, if you have Sol na, you can just select itong buy Sachi, and then antayin mo lang siya, mapupunta siya dito sa my orders. And then once na ma-execute yun, ay you have Sachi na dito, no? At kung gusto mo naman siyang ibenta, you can just select itong sell. Like for example, we have this Sachi. And kung gusto mo siyang ibenta lahat, 100% lang, sell all na yan. Kung gusto mo kalahati, you can just do it here. Ayan, kalahati lang yung mabebenta dito, no? Ayan, so you can explore this app, guys, no? If you are interested, lalay ko na lang sa description ng video na to yung official link para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online, guys, no? So, if you are interested dito. And another disclaimer dito pala, guys, itong gamit natin na application is not yet registered, especially the Philippines, no? So, please be mindful for that. But, yeah, you can just explore if you are interested dito, especially for those who ask questions kung paano nga ba dito mag-simulate, mag-buy and sell ng Sachi and then under this DEX, guys, no? So, yun, isa sa mga features dito is that you can check nung mga hindi pa nalilist na tokens sa centralized exchanges. Marami ditong mga aggregators na tinatawag. You can just routes ng mga trade, like bridge as well. You can do it on the decentralized exchange and other features pa dito, guys. Yun yung isa sa mga advantage dito, pero we mentioned the risk, a potential rug pull, no, dahil it's a new tokens and that is easily to like manipulates, no. So, yun, hope you get some insights dito, guys, especially sa mga nagtatanong. And kung meron pa kayong mga questions, feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. Again, as I'm mentioning, this is not financial advice. I just want to acknowledge your questions dito, guys, no. So, if you want to cash out na, if nagka-profits na kayo dito, if na-ibenta nyo na in profits yung meme coin na nabili nyo in early stage, you can just sell naman yan. Like for example, sell mo dito and then magkakaroon ka ng Solana, and then yung Solana na yan is pwede mong i-convert into USDT. Balik ka lang dito ulit sa trade, and then punta ka dito sa convert, and then change mo lang ito dito, select mo lang, and then Sol to USDT, top max mo lang, ito yung makukuha mo na USDT, preview quote, confirm, and ipo-proceed mo lang, guys, no. And then after that, you can just cash out papunta sa mga e-wallets like GCash, no. Meron tayong video niyan, guys, lalay ko na lang dito sa screen, and see you sa video na yan, guys, no. Yun lang for today, guys. Sana nagkaroon kayo dito ng insights, ideas, at na-acknowledge ko yung mga questions nyo. So, maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.